Interior Design Trends 2026. What homeowners are choosing. If you've been thinking about renovating your home lately, you've probably noticed something confusing. One article says bold colors are in, another says minimalism is back, and suddenly, everything feels like a must-do trend. But here's the truth about interior design in 2026. Homeowners aren't chasing trends anymore. They are choosing what lasts. Today, I'll walk you through the interior design trends shaping real homes in 2026, based on industry reports, homeowner data, and professional forecasts. And I'll explain why these trends matter if you actually live in your space. Trend 1. Warm, earthy colors over stark white. They looked clean and modern, but many homeowners discovered something over time. White shows wear quickly, feels cold in certain lighting, and can make homes feel less inviting. In 2026, homeowners are moving toward warm, earthy neutrals like beige, taupe, sand, clay, and muted greens. Why this is happening? It's because warm colors reflect light more gently, feel comfortable in both daytime and evening, and hide scuffs, aging, and daily wear better. Design publications and color forecasters have linked this shift to a desire for emotional comfort and visual calm, especially after years of high-contrast interiors. Trend 2. Subtle curves and softer forms. Curves are still present in 2026, but they are intentional and restrained. Instead of bold, sculptural furniture, homeowners are choosing rounded kitchen islands, soft-edge furniture, arched mirrors or niches. Why this is happening? It's because straight lines and sharp edges can feel visually rigid. Design psychologists note that gentle curves create a sense of flow, feel more welcoming, reduce visual tension in a space. This is especially important for homes meant to be lived in long-term. Trend 3. Layered lighting instead of one main light. In 2026, lighting is treated as part of the design, not an afterthought. Homeowners are moving away from single ceiling lights, harsh overhead illumination, and toward ambient lighting, task lighting, soft accent lighting. Why this is happening? Lighting dramatically affects mood, comfort, and usability. Layered lighting reduces eye strain, creates flexibility throughout the day, makes spaces feel warmer and more intentional. This trend is especially important in kitchens, living rooms, and bedrooms. Trend 4. Muted metals instead of shiny finishes. Shiny chrome is being replaced by brushed brass, aged bronze, soft black metals. Why this is happening? It's because highly reflective metals show fingerprints, feel cold visually. Meanwhile, muted metals feel warmer, age better, blend into the space. Trend 5. Visual consistency in wood tones. Homeowners are choosing one dominant wood tone per space. For example, similar tones for floors, shelves, and furniture. Why this is happening? It's because too many wood tones can feel chaotic. Consistent wood tones make spaces feel calmer, look more expensive, are easier to maintain visually. These trends all share one thing. They work best when you can see the full picture before renovating. That's why services like virtual renovations, 3D layouts, digital design planning are becoming essential, not optional. At House Hack Studios, I help homeowners visualize layouts, materials, and lighting so decisions feel clear before construction begins. Link to Etsy shop for these types of services is included in the description. Trend 6. Textured walls instead of plain paint. Flat, smooth walls are slowly being replaced by subtle texture. This includes lime wash finishes, micro cement, textured plaster, soft stucco-style walls. Why this is happening? It's because texture adds depth without adding clutter. Textured walls hide imperfections, add warmth without color, make simple rooms feel intentional. This trend is especially strong in living rooms and bedrooms. Trend 7. Dark accent rooms, but softened. Dark rooms are still popular, but they are warmer now. Colors include deep olive, charcoal brown, warm navy. Why this is happening? It's because dark rooms feel cozy and intimate, create strong mood, work beautifully with warm lighting. The key is warmth, not harsh contrast. Trend 8. Statement stone, loud veins, big patterns. Stone surfaces are becoming bolder and more expressive. This often means dramatic marble veining, large-scale stone slabs, eye-catching backsplash patterns. Why this is happening? It's because for the past few years, minimalism made spaces too quiet. Statement stone, on the other hand, adds instant luxury, acts as natural artwork, creates a clear focal point. Interior design trends in 2026 aren't louder or bolder. They are calmer, more intentional, and focused on how homes actually feel to live in. If this helped you, consider subscribing for more practical home design guidance. And let me know in the comments, which of these trends feels most important for your home right now?